Aloha! Here at Holliday Orthodontics, we're very excited to meet you. So in the meantime, we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to take the perfect photos for your virtual smile assessment. First, you want to prepare your surroundings. You want to make sure that you have good lighting and a clear background. Second, you want to wash your hands and then grab 2 spoons if you have. If you don't have spoons, that's okay, you can use your hands. And then, we would also like if you could grab a friend or a family member that can help you take your photos. So for the first one, you're going to do a relaxed selfie. Okay, now it's time for the spoons. So for this first photo, what you're going to do is you're going to take the spoons and the flat side will be on the teeth side. You'll put them in your cheeks, you'll bite down on your back teeth and basically smile. We'll go ahead and put the spoon back in, and then you're going to retract your cheek so you can get your side biting photos. Spoons are done. Now for the next 2, we'll go ahead and have you do an upper and a lower. So first one, you'll tilt your head back and open wide. And then a lower. That's it, pretty easy. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Otherwise, we will review your records and your concerns with Dr. Holliday and then give you a call back to schedule your appointment and go over the next steps. Mahalo.